Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Follow these steps to efficiently address any billing discrepancies on MetricStream. Step 1. Identify the error. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents that support your claim, such as previous invoices, contracts, and any correspondence related to the billing issue. This will help you present a clear case. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to MetricStream's customer support team. Provide them with a detailed explanation of the error and share the documentation you gathered. Be prepared to answer any questions they may have. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once the issue is resolved, review your next billing statement to ensure the correction has been made. If the error persists, repeat the process or escalate the matter to a higher authority within the company. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on MetricStream and ensure your financial records are accurate.